If you're getting water in the trunk, you may need to replace these taillight seals. They're discontinued, but they're easy to make yourself. You're going to need some of this 6mm thick foam. I'll have a link in the description. For 9091, you have to remove this interior panel. 8889 have little covers here you can just pop off and get access to the bolts that way. Using the old seals, trace out new ones on the foam. Then you can cut out the seals. I didn't actually cut out the holes for the taillight studs. For those, I just force the foam over the stud, and that'll create a nice tight seal. At this point you can reinstall, but be careful not to over tighten the nuts. If you're still getting water in the trunk, I would check the trunk seal and the drain tubes for the sunroof.